Trains and ferries. This town dies without them. Get the capital in. But don't spend your own money. Why?
You could lose it all.
Oh. You think you're a smart boy?
I don't know.
You don't think you're a smart boy?
If I say yes, you'll think I'm boasting. If I say no, you'll think I'm lying.
Don't try and parse me. Just answer the question. Why aren't you in school?
Because I work here.
You worked here for the summer. Summer is over. I don't need you now.
There's things I can do.
Such as?
Sweep the sand away. I gave the money to my mother.
How is that my concern? You're gonna cry?